Hello and welcome to StrongBody. Go to our channel for aspiring wellness entrepreneurs if you're passionate about health and wellness. And dreaming of starting your own business, you've come to the right place. Today we're going to guide you through the steps of creating a successful wellness business. With the support and guidance of StrongBody, your partner in wellness entrepreneurship. Every successful journey begins with a clear direction. For your wellness business, this means finding your niche. The wellness industry is vast and diverse. At StrongBody, we recommend focusing on what you are passionate about and where you see a gap in the market. Whether it's nutrition, fitness, mental health, or holistic therapies, StrongBody provides guidelines and resources to help you carve out your unique space in the wellness world. Understanding your target audience is crucial. Who are they? What are their needs and desires? StrongBody offers tools and insights to help you conduct effective market research, ensuring your services or products resonate with your audience and meet their specific wellness needs. A well-thought-out business plan is your roadmap to success. StrongBody offers templates and guidance to help you develop a comprehensive plan, covering everything from financial projections to marketing strategies, tailored specifically for the wellness industry. Setting up your business can be daunting, but with StrongBody by your side, it doesn't have to be. We'll guide you through the essentials like registering your business, obtaining necessary licenses, and setting up your workspace, whether it's a physical studio or an online platform. Marketing is key in the wellness industry, and StrongBody is here to help. We provide comprehensive marketing strategies, including social media marketing, content creation, and community engagement, tailored to the wellness sector to help you build a loyal customer base and stand out in the market. In the wellness industry, the value you provide to your clients is paramount. StrongBody helps you design services or products that genuinely improve health and well-being. It's about creating a meaningful impact in your customers' lives. Thinking about growth? StrongBody has the expertise to guide you in scaling your business sustainably. We cover everything from expanding your offerings to reaching new markets and even building a team. Embarking on your wellness business journey is exciting and fulfilling. With StrongBody's guidance and resources, you're not just starting a business, you're building a wellness movement. Stay tuned to StrongBody for more tips and insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, stay well and keep inspiring.